Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Chase, a small and scenic town on the shores of Little Shuswap Lake in British Columbia. The town was named after Whitfield Chase, one of the early settlers who arrived here in the late 1800s. He helped build the first homesteads and played a big role in shaping the community. The town grew with the arrival of the railway and became a gateway to the Shuswap region. Today, Chase is known for its lake views, warm community, and easy access to outdoor activities like swimming, boating, and hiking. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Chase, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!